You guys are not going to believe this. Popeyes is open in Westview Mall, located in Garden State Plaza.
That's chicken.
Alright guys, so today we're reviewing Popeyes brand new Louisiana garlic wings. Let's do this guys, shall we?
Ricky, they have ano?
Alright.
You want or?
They even have napkins. Louisiana garlic seasoning. Sign me up. Put this in.
Sabi sa'yo, sinaltak mo sinaltak.
Oh, eat na oh.
Yum. Alright, let's try it guys, shall we? Must don't forget the ranch.
Let me get the fork, please.
Ayan na oh. Ayan oh.
Oh,
It's in the middle.
what's this?
Huh? Oh, napkin eaten. I don't put on your clothes, please.
It makes it for me, Dad.
No reaction.
No, yeah, eat na. Yeah. No, no, no. Pag ganito, not in the pag ganito o gano'n, no? So it's not,
In the sun.
sarap.
Calling those Louisiana garlic wings
Ang sarap, Ricky.
Cuban wings.
Oh. Okay, oh.
That's so yum.
Ang sarap.
Saan, slowly na.
Kakapalan na sa tip.
Siyempre.
Iisip ko, kailangan mong pumili dyan. Sabi pa sa akin.
Sino, sinasabi? Dito? Hindi naman yun. Baka magkikita sa mga ganyan. Hindi naman restaurant na sinasilbihan pa. May pa pinagsilbihan kami. Tama na talaga nila gumawa ng pagkain.
10 out of 10.
Diba?
No reaction spicy.
Sabla naman yung mga ganyan.
When it's even though it's spicy, no reaction.